Dyson's newest full-size vacuum has the best cleaning performance.
The Gtech AirAm 3. It features anti-hair wrap technology, a self-cleaning filter, edge cleaning brushes, airlock technology, lightweight and maneuverable design engineered to perfection. Enhanced for busy homes, I designed the AirAm Platinum for the floor and the Multi-Platinum for everywhere else. Airlock and anti-hair wrap technology powerfully tackle large debris with ease. Over 90 minutes of ultimate high-performance cordless cleaning.